Fixing a faulty Kingston solid-state drive. Hi, I'm Glenn Villar of Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. On this episode, we have a Kingston SSD. This is an older version of a solid-state drive, and as you can see, the size of it is only 64 gigabyte. This was sent to me by my IT staff from the other branch of this department store, and he said that the POS machine suddenly stopped working and it won't boot anymore. So I asked him to check the hard drive if it's being detected in the BIOS, and he said no, it couldn't be detected at all. So I asked him to send it here, and now here we are. We have this SSD in front of us, and now I'm gonna try and plug it into one of my enclosure, and we're gonna see if my computer will read or have a reading of this SSD. Now that the enclosure with the SSD in it is plugged into my PC, we're just gonna wait if we will hear that tone that says the SSD is being detected. But so far, no, I don't hear and I don't see any indication that this is being read by the PC. Let's try and open it up so we can inspect the logic board. What I have here is it's a set of a precision tool that I bought from a shop here in PNG. Let's proceed with opening it up. Let's get this sticker out of the way first to see what kind of screws are we dealing with here. Newer SSDs are not enclosed with a metal sheet, unlike this one. This is an old model one, and I'm not sure if the later versions or the later products of Kingstones still have this kind of metal enclosure. For protection wise, this will offer a better protection because of the steel casing. The plastic enclosures that protects the newer SSDs nowadays do not offer as much protection as this one because they are prone to trivial damages, such as damages from getting pinned down by heavier objects, or sometimes they could get bent just by putting them in your pocket because they're too flimsy. If you remember those days that we have those micro floppy and mini floppies, you gotta have to handle them with care. Although the newer SSDs don't have those rounded films that the typical micro floppy disk or mini floppy disk from those days have, the SSDs still have those delicate components on its logic board, and you still have to pay attention to its welfare when you're handling it to avoid getting it damaged. What we're looking at here is a different kind of screw. It's more of like a Torx screw, but with a pin in the middle, so I am afraid I don't have the right size of tip for my precision screw to open this casing at the moment. Anyway, this is my last resort. This is the bigger set of precision screw that I got from one of the shop here also. And I think I still don't have the right size for this, but let me try though. Guys, I think I will have to end this video. I will have to postpone repairing this until I find the right tool because I don't want to open it with just any tool and risk damaging the logic board or the casing because I want this to be running after. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.